at a scene downtown right now that it's blowing me away. I can't believe it. Let's just go ahead and take that full, and I want you to absorb this. Allyson, where are you exactly downtown?
Bruce, I am standing on Hogan Street in between Bay and Water, okay? So right by the landing, if you take a look behind me, the St. Johns River has honestly kind of become a part of this road. I'm probably basically standing in it right now. If we take a look that way, you probably are familiar with that pavilion down there. You can just see the waves crashing over there. And I mean, we did get a glimpse of sunshine here just a second ago, but to be honest, the conditions out here have gotten worse. The wind is picking up. I heard earlier in the newscast that this water has no place to go. And from what I've been seeing out here, that's certainly true. This wind is just pushing the water out of the river over that seawall and into this area here. You know, there are a lot of people outside. They retreated back inside because the winds have been picking up out here, just taking pictures because it really is, you know, very unusual to see something like this out here. And people are really concerned who live in this area, saying, you know, they've been watching the news and hearing that the tide is supposed to rise and concerned about what's going to happen to this area come 2 o'clock. There's already so much flooding. You can see these parking meters partially underwater, the benches underwater, and who knows what the landing looks like inside right now, because this is just very, very dramatic and overwhelming right now to look at. And I think that's the case with a lot of the people who are in these hotels surrounding this area, who stayed here overnight, waking up this morning and coming outside to a river here on Hogan Street. So we'll be staying in this area, continuing to look at how the conditions change out here and how the water continues to go higher and higher. This is what I'm talking about. This is what's pushing the water further into the street over the seawall over there. But anyways, we will continue monitoring this rising water for you, and we will bring that to you. I'm going to send it back to you guys now because Matt is having some issues here with the camera, and I just want to make sure we're safe out here, so I'll send it back to you.
Yeah,
Get to a safe place.
So you've got the Omni that's just right. I'm curious if that's being flooded. And, you know, there are 2 rivers in the world that flow north, and the St. Johns River is one of them. And if you think about the fact that the Orlando area and Seminole County down there got a brunt of Hurricane Irma, there's actually more water that was fed down there. Where's that water going to go? Yeah. It's going to come up here. It's got nowhere else to go.
Yeah, and you wonder about the landing. There's that brand new parking garage that they just finished recently, and you know, people coming out just astonished. This is certainly not a story that we wanted to tell today, but as she mentioned, it's getting worse. And just in that 3 minutes that we were talking with her, we saw the impact of the wind as more water rushes into our downtown.